Hey, what's up guys, Vedant here. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can upgrade your Mac to macOS Catalina. Now before you upgrade, you want to make sure that your files are backed up and make sure that you don't have any 32-bit apps installed. By chance, if you do have 32-bit apps, they will not work with macOS Catalina. And finally, make sure your Mac is indeed compatible with macOS Catalina. Most Macs from macOS Mojave are, so you should be good to go. The first thing you're going to do is make sure that if you're on a battery-powered Mac or a Mac laptop that it is plugged in, as this could drain a lot of battery. And you make sure you have a good, decent, stable internet connection, as this is a really big update. So first of all, you want to go ahead and head to System Preferences. Then you'll see the Software Update tab. So this is a little different from previous versions of macOS where it would be in the App Store. You'll see it'll check for the update. And you'll see that macOS Catalina is available right there. So simply we're going to tap Upgrade Now. And it's going to go ahead and download the update. So this can take some time, so I'll be back once it's done. Okay, so it has fully downloaded the update, and now it's installing the update. And now here we go. So you'll notice that an application installs, which is by the title Install macOS Catalina. Here we want to click Next. We're going to agree to the terms, and agree again. And simply go ahead and hit install once your disk pops up. You might have multiple disks, so it'll show all the disks, or it'll have a button to show all the disks. But for me, it's just the main disk, Macintosh HD. I'm going to go ahead and click install. And we need to authenticate real quick. And there we go. So now it is going to start installing macOS Catalina on the main hard drive. In macOS Catalina. So this is the first screen, so go ahead and log into your user account as you normally would. Now at this point you will be asked to do some things like set up analytics, you might be asked to set up screen time, and you might be asked to do some other things like sign in with your Apple ID. This may differ for what you are signing up with. From here, simply follow the instructions on the screen and just hit continue once you're done with each of the screens. And we are setting up the Mac, so that was relatively quick. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I'm finally on Catalina. Do subscribe, and well, I'll catch you guys in the next video.